Hey, how's it going, everybody? So I just wanted to update you guys on a huge decision and a huge commitment that I've made about this channel, and that is to upload a video every single day during the month of December, and most likely every single day of 2019. So there's 3 reasons I'm doing this. The first one is to find my discipline as a YouTuber. I want to develop a personal relationship with my channel and the community based around it, and just find my purpose on YouTube, really. So far, this channel has mainly been a car channel, and while there's nothing wrong with that, I watch quite a few car channels myself, I feel like I want to build a community and audience around more than just raw car entertainment, more of the personal development side, and encouraging people to follow their dreams and, do stuff that they want to do in life. There will always be cars on this channel. I mean, hell, I'm going to the LA Auto Show tomorrow to vlog that for you guys. And while I love all that stuff, and I will continue to film some car content here and there, I don't want you guys to view this channel as, oh, he buys cool cars, modifies them, and races them. That's not what I want this channel to be about. This channel will go more in a vlog direction, and it'll showcase how I balance being a musician, fitness enthusiast, and a car guy all at the same time. And I very much want to base the message of this channel around motivating and encouraging people who want to do what they love in life. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, getting super strong as a lifter, growing as a musician, or even getting more involved in the car community, all of that is going to be on this channel every single day. I'm so excited. If you guys want to grow together in 2019, subscribe, follow the videos. If any of you guys are in Southern California and you want to be in a video, hit me up on my Instagram. It's at thatdrummerwholifts. I hope to be seeing some of you guys soon, and I will talk to all of you guys next video. See ya.